This is a hit-and-miss flywheel engine, an antique engine known for its distinctive rhythmic operation and fuel efficiency. Popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, it powered everything from farm equipment to small industrial machines, including pumps, generators, and saws. To start it, you manually spin the large flywheel to build momentum to ignite the fuel. The engine only fires, or hits, when it needs power, then coasts, or misses, to save fuel. Caution is key though, as getting your arm trapped is a very real risk.